Hi, it's Ms. Motzi, and it is March 6th. It's an A day. We had two objectives today. They were both about minerals. So first, we're trying to figure out what defines a mineral. What are the 5 characteristics that define a mineral? Second, we're looking at properties that we can use to actually identify specific minerals. And then our other objective today was looking at mineral groups and how can we group minerals into the 4 main mineral groups: silicates, carbonates, oxides, and sulfides, using their chemical formula. In class today, we had to do a little bit of review because this A day, I hadn't seen you all since last Monday, because on Wednesday we had a substitute, and then on Friday we didn't have school. So we were reviewing the physiographic provinces, and then we were also learning, reviewing the little bit that we had learned about minerals. After that review session, then we went into looking at notes. We took notes on the mineral groups and the mineral properties. After that, students were able to get onto a laptop and they were practicing the vocabulary words on Quizlet. When students finished that, some students were able to go into the Edpuzzle, and the Edpuzzle was helping you quiz yourself on the knowledge that you have about testing minerals using their property and then making identifications. Some students were able to finish that, and then they were working on reading an article about blood diamonds. I really want to shout out First Block. First Block, you were in rotating today, and you did a fantastic job when you were doing a sorting activity looking at the different minerals that are sorted into each mineral group. When you look at this slide, you see just how much oxygen and silicon there is in Earth's crust. There's 47% oxygen and 28% silicon, and that explains why the silicate mineral group is by far the largest mineral group that we have. Today at the end of class, you had an exit ticket, and question 10 on the exit ticket asked you what mineral group has the most rock-forming minerals. Minerals like quartz and amphibole and pyroxene, all minerals that are made up of with the same building block of silicon and oxygen. And the correct answer to this question are the silicates. The silicates as a group are by far the most, they contain the most rock-forming mineral. You did a great job in class today. I want to continue to encourage you to put away your cell phones. The cell phones are not helping anybody in class if you're not using them for geosystem specific work. I also want to encourage you to get onto Google Classroom. I want you to study for the quiz. We're having a quiz next class. You want to be looking at the Quizlet next class has 3 main sections. The first one is a vocabulary section. So there are going to be 20 matching vocabulary. The second section is going to have 10 multiple choice questions. And then finally, the back page of the quiz is going to be asking you about Virginia's physiographic provinces. There are 3 PowerPoints on Google Classroom that you want to open up and look at. You want to review your notes. You want to get on to Google Classroom and practice the vocabulary. You want to make sure that you study before you come into class on either on Thursday. I hope that you have a great evening, and I will see you Thursday bright and early for the